Last page. It says find the rate of change in representations A through H, fill out the rate of change in the table, and rank the representations from 1 to 8, where 1 is the smallest rate of change and 8 is the greatest rate of change. In letter A, we have the equation y equals 29 over 5x. That is similar to the equation y equals mx plus b. In the equation y equals mx plus b, m is the rate of change. In our problem, y equals 29 over 5x, 29 over 5 is the rate of change. So for letter A, the rate of change is 29 over 5. For letter B, we have to see how much we're changing by. Along the top, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4, I'm going up 1 each time. Along the other side, 9.5 to 12, 12 to 14.5, and 14.5 to 17, we are changing by 2.5. So when we set it up, we write ourselves a fraction y over x. Remember, the x value comes first, y value comes second, and so it's 2.5 over 1. 2.5 divided by 1 is 2.5. Letter C. When given a graph, you have to write down the points you can read clearly. You can read the point down at the very bottom, 0, 0. And you can read the point here in the middle at 4 and 21. Now to see how much we're changing by. 0 to 4 is a plus 4. 0 to 21 is a positive 21. Just like in letter B, we write it as a fraction y over x, in this case 21 over 4. Letter D. To find the rate of change of a table, we see how much we're changing by. 5 to 10 to 15 to 20, we are going up 5 each time. 29.5 to 57 to 84.5 to 112. Again, trying to figure out how much we are changing by. We are going up by 27.5 each time. We write our fraction y over x, in this case 27.5 over 5, which gives us 5.5. Letter E. Letter E is not in the form y equals mx plus b, so we split the problem down the equal sign. I'm going to add a positive 12x because it's the opposite. Those cancel out. I can rewrite the equation to 2y equals 12x plus 36. But I'm not done. I still need to get rid of that 2, so I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. Again, they cancel out. And my new equation becomes y equals 12 divided by 2 is 6, 6x. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Just like in problem A, with the equation y equals mx plus b, m is the rate of change. In this case, 6 is my rate of change. Letter F. Again, for a table, we figure out how much we're changing by. 2, 4, 6, and 8 is going up by 2s. 9.5 to 19 to 28.5 to 38. Again, trying to figure out how much we are changing by. We are going up by 9.5 each time. As is all the other problems, you write a fraction y over x, in this case 9.5 over 2. 9.5 divided by 2 is 4.75. So letter F is 4.75. Again, in letter G, we have another chart. So again, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 3, you're going up 1. Negative 3 to negative 0.25 to 2.5 to 5.25. Again, trying to find how much you're changing by. You are going up by 2.75 each time. We write it as a fraction y over x, in this case 2.75 over 1, which is 2.75. And letter H, again, trying to see how much we're changing by. We go 4 to 8 and 8 to 12, meaning we're going up 4. 14.8 to 29.6 to 44.4. Again, figuring out how much we're changing by. To go from 14.8 to 29.6, you are going up 14.8 each time. Set up a fraction, y over x, 14.8 over 4. When you divide 14.8 divided by 4, you get 3.7.